So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important job opportunity from various important company. So first important opportunity from the Nokia. Yeah, Nokia is finally they are hiring for the role of software engineer. Okay, so if you are the candidates from the CS background and other things, then you can basically apply for that. You can say they are hiring for multiple role. Okay, so these are the some roles they are opening current opening. So you can apply. Coming to next important opportunity from the Red Hat, and they are hiring for the role of trainee associate software engineer, and for this basically freshers are eligible. So if you have 2026 or 2024 pass out batch, then you can also apply for this wonderful opportunity, and this is a full-time role. So talking about some roles and responsibility and the requirements, so you should be graduated in 2026 or 2025 in engineering technology and CSIT background you should have, and you should have good communication skill, basic knowledge of software engineering, and willingness to learn Python and other things. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, and you know Red Hat, a great MNC, and they are good company. So I will suggest everyone should apply. Again friends, again I'm saying keep applying for off-campus drive beside preparation of on-campus or some other opportunity. Okay, currently TCS and QT hiring is going on, and we have already launched the playlist for the coding, and this is good thing that you have a good response, and soon I will provide you update related to upcoming mass hiring. So you can just subscribe us for getting such important update. Next important opportunity from TGH Software Solution Private Limited, Hyderabad and Noida, means they are hiring for the location of Hyderabad and Noida, and this is the roles and responsibilities. So B.Tech, M.E., M.Tech and MCA from 2021 to 2024 students are eligible, and you should just have strong communication and problem solving skill. Coming to next important opportunity, and this is a walk-in drive from the CSM technology, and this is also great company. So they are hiring for the role of associate software engineer on 14th of March, and this is the location Odisha. So if you are from Odisha or nearest, then you can walk in that. And what are the technology or tech stack required? That is Java, .NET, database, PHP, Python, web design. Education you should be from B.Tech, MCA, ME, M.Tech, and 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out. So this is mass hiring, and I will suggest must visit that location. Okay, so job location will be Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Patna. So you can see they have also office in Patna. First time I'm seeing any company that are situated, IT company situated in Patna. Okay friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. Okay, we will provide you dedicated feedback and guidance that will basically boost your confidence and increase chances of your selection. Coming to next important opportunity for the role of manual tester. So if you are interested for the role of testing, then you can apply, and this is basically work from home kind, you can say work from anywhere, and freshers are eligible for this. So you can just share your resume to them. And experience, if you have some experience, then this is a good things. If you don't have, no need to worry, you still eligible to apply. And last important opportunity, that is also means Red Hat only. Okay, so these are the same things. So I hope video informative to you. If you have any query friends, feel free to ask or comment here. And again, those who are preparing for the NQT, just increase your number of questions and increase your preparation, because you know from 10th of March anytime your admit card will be released. So just focus on the preparation now, and best of luck those who have further exam. Thank you, bye bye, meet you in the next video.